this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo into a circle in Photoshop. It's very easy to do, really simple, and this is good for like profile pictures on apps or YouTube channels or things that require like a nice circular um, size photo. So what you can do is I just have a picture of Tony Stark here, or and what you can do is go over here to the selection tool. Normally your rectangle will be selected, and what you can do is actually click and hold and choose the elliptical marquee tool, and you can click and drag, but make sure you hold down shift beforehand, that way you get a perfect circle. So hold down shift and then click and drag over where you want the picture to be, and don't be afraid, you can move this around as well. And what you want to do is go to image and then go down to crop. What that's going to do, it'll crop out that photo, but then at this point you can actually go over to the bottom right corner here where you can create a layer mask. And once you do that, then at this point you can actually export this into just your just into a PNG. So I'm just going to turn off the background here, and there you go. So if you were to export this, the only thing you would get is the cropped photo that you just made. So I hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.